Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be rating iPhone ringtone noises. So let's start with the first one. Ooh, hate that. I think I'm going to rate that one 1 out of 10. I hate that. Alright. That's like a solid, that's a 7. That's a 7. Number 4. That's like a 5. Probably not going to use it, but it's there. A little song. It's great. Not sure about chimes. I don't know. Give it like a 4. It's okay. I could kind of work with this. Like probably like a 6. Not bad. I don't know. Probably unpopular, but probably like a 3. I don't know. It's no better, so that's probably another 2. 3. Literally just a woodpecker. I don't really like that. It's better than most though, so I guess I'll give it a 5. 3 out of 10. Okay, this is a solid 8. I know my grandparents use this one. It's a 6. Not bad. Too childish. I don't know who's using this. Too many thingies. Just too much. 2. Three out of 10. Maybe this is the one my grandparents use. I don't know. 1. 2. That's it. It's like a 2. Not enough. Done. Like a 4. Five. 4. It just sounds like birds at like a crazy like disco party or something. I'm not sure. Good for a 5-year-old. This is a solid 8. Sounds a little bit similar to one of the other ones. It's like a 6. Just a 5. I don't know who's waking up with this. That's like a 1. That's... I guess a 3? Yep. Bark. Sounds like my dog, so, 7. That's a solid 8. That's pretty good. 2. Sounds pretty goofy, actually. I think I gotta give that like a 6. It's not bad. 2. I don't know. It's like a 2. 5. Number 1 ringtone of all time. 10. That's like a 1. Actually, it's a 5. Oh yeah, this is another 10. This one's amazing. I absolutely love this one. 0 out of 10. I hate it. Another 10, bro. These are amazing. Not really sure what that is, but that's like a 2, I guess. Pinball. Probably wouldn't wake up to this, but it's not bad. It's like a 4. Probably like a 3. I don't know, this one's a bit sketchy. Probably like a 2. Okay, we have some country music, which is not bad. I could wake up with this. This is like a 7. Probably another 7. If that was on loop, that would literally stress me out. Nope. I think that's like a 1. That's great. That's a 9. That's beautiful. That is definitely the one my grandparents uses, and I'm gonna give it a 7. It's not bad. All right, bye.